Next on Channel 5, man with broken leg reviews 1990s Honda motorcycle.
What do I do to deserve this? I mean, anyway, welcome back to Brassic Classics. Today we have a Pan European Honda motorbike of loveliness. This particular model is the ABS model, which works. It's got a really nice larger screen that actually gives you some protection. It's got 64,270 miles on it, and it's for sale. Come in closer, have a look at the loveliness in green. You've got a full set of boxes, 2 on the side, 1 on the top, plenty of luggage. As I said, it's a 1995 on an M. Yeah, these things are, as the name suggests, European Tourer. And it's for sale. It's Steve's bike, who's behind the camera. Say hello, Steve.
Hello.
Steve, have I missed anything about this? Have I given you any lack of description? Have I missed it? It will have 12 months MOT. Yeah, what else is there? Steve, come on.
It's got a new timing belt.
New timing belt, tyres are
timing
good.
belt on it. Tyres are good. Yeah, it's all ready to go, really.
It's all ready to go, it's lovely. Steve,
Yeah. It can even come with some spare oil filters.
I'm going to start the bike, show you how good. I'm not going to ride it because that'd be mental for me. Because I'd probably die.
Rear wheels off the ground anyway.
So as you can hear, it sounds lovely. It's not overly noisy, purrs beautifully.
All stainless exhausts.
Stainless exhaust.
Stainless exhausts on it. Period stainless exhausts.
Has it got any modifications, this thing? Apart from the screen?
Only the exhaust and the screen as far as I know.
Okay, so there you go. One 1995 Honda Pan European Tourer for sale. Steve, we haven't really decided the price, have you, Steve?
Somewhere between that and that, I guess.
Yeah, we're looking for between 2,000 to 3,000. As I say, it's in good condition. It'll come with 12 months ticket. And yeah, it's once the coronavirus is finished and we can all leave the country again, it's a perfect touring bike to go to Europe, go wherever you want.
We're down to Italy for the day.
We're down to Italy for the day. Okay, so just bringing you in to have a closer look at the instrument cluster, the 64,271 miles, and then just to give you a view of the condition of the bike. It's lovely. It's really, really nice. You've got the boxes. It's a great storage there. Top box for helmet.
Colour coded.
All colour coded, nicely painted. Yeah, the overall condition
All
of this
keys
bike
alike except the top one.
the overall condition's great, really, really nice. Okay, on this side. Any defects you can think of, Steve, while I'm there?
The brake pedal needs re-chroming.
Brake pedal's terrible.
Obviously that's
It's terrible, I'm not interested.
basic.
Not interested anymore. Yeah, it's lovely having the luggage.
The swing arm's in good nick. Those have a habit of rotting out on these.
Steve, can you start it up for me? Very nice, very nice. There you go.
A nice heavy motorcycle. The wind won't blow around. This is the one for you. Why is it that quarter of a tonne?
Quarter of a tonne of Honda goodness. Fluffy!